Welcome back. It's now time for your midday sports. Limehall will be on the brink of relegation from the rare Never Jamaica Premier League should they lose to Arnett Gardens in this evening's encounter at this Tony Spalding Sports Complex. Limehall are on 7 points at the foot of the table with 5 matches to play. A loss to Arnett Gardens will put them in the position of having to win all the remaining matches to join Harbourview on points. But that hinges on the Stars of the East losing all the remaining matches. 12th placed Harbourview are on 19 points and have a -8 goal difference compared to Limehall's -36. Meanwhile, Arnett will join rivals Tivoli Gardens and Portmore United on 42 points should they pick up 3 points. It will also create an 8-point cushion between 5th and 6th. The match kicks off at 7:30. Concacaf's top team, the United States, are the inaugural champions of the Concacaf Women's Gold Cup after clipping Brazil 1-0 in the final on Sunday at the Snapdragon Stadium in California. The Americans got the all-important goal from captain Lindsey Horan in first half stoppage time. The 4-time FIFA Women's World Cup winners claimed their 15th trophy of all time in Concacaf competitions. Jaden Shaw of the USA comped the Best Player of the Tournament award. Canada's Adriana Leon was the top scorer with 6 goals. Jamaica's Reggae Girls did not qualify for the tournament. New Zealand's 31-year wait to beat Australia in a test at home has been extended after the visitors squeezed out a tense 3-wicket win on the 4th day of the second test in Christchurch to sweep the series 2-0. The Australians, resuming the day at 77 for 4 in their chase of 279, slipped to 80 for 5, but gritty half-centuries from Alex Carey 98 not out and Mitchell Marsh 80 carried the Aussies over the line at 281 for 7. The pair shared in a 146-run 6th wicket stand. Carey's knock had 15 fours and his undefeated knock is the second best for a wicket-keeper in a successful 4th innings chase. Adam Gilchrist holds a record with 149 not out. Captain Pat Cummins chipped in with 32 against Ben Sears 4 for 90. In NBA, Anthony Davis became the first player in NBA history to have at least 25 points, 25 rebounds, 5 assists, and 5 steals in a game as he inspired the Los Angeles Lakers to a comfortable 120-109 win over Minnesota Timberwolves last night. Davis finished with 27 points, while teammate LeBron James had a game-high 29 points and 9 assists. The Lakers are 9th in the Western Conference after back-to-back victories, while third-place Minnesota have lost 2 in a row. Elsewhere, the Milwaukee Bucks, who are 2nd in the Eastern Conference, responded to successive losses to earn a 124-117 win on the road against the Los Angeles Clippers. Damian Lillard led the way for the Bucks with 35 points. The Washington Wizards upset hosts, the Miami Heat, to claim a 110-108 victory, with Kyle Kuzma scoring a game-high 32 points. And that's it for your Midday Sports Report. Shamela?
Thank you, O'Shane, and that's the Midday News. I'm Shamela Pullen. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports, and production teams, good afternoon.